Unfortunately, I was watching my friend before he Makinde when he went to Bauchi. He said that he had a meeting with the president. I said, so fortunate. He said, we have problems, we have the judiciary. So fortunate. We also have the judiciary of Ibadan. And us, as my that's the judiciary. So fortunate. A fight you cannot fight this matter. Politics is not contractor of share. That's two different things. I didn't want to be a contractor. I wanted to have power. You wanted money. You had contract of over $1.7 million. And stay there. This is my own territory. Stay as a contractor. Contracts are politics are not the same. You can see the difference now. Being a contractor in share does not make you to be a politician. There are two different. You're not wondering. Now it is a national democratic of all parties. Of all parties. We are the ones that gave you everything. Today you became the governor. Today you are known. He said, lots of money will flog everybody. I will say no. The right thing must be done. I'm sure most of you were misled because of money. You know, it's a government. It's a friend of government. No, it's afraid. I'm not afraid. Now, when I say that, the business of politics is not the business of the contractor who share the money. Totally different thing. Leave those who know the politics to play. You are the contractor who want to share. And $1 or $2 billion. Leave us here. Let us continue with our job. This is our job. If you don't know how to play it, and you're not ready to play it, go and we are ready. We are ready to have sleepless nights. It's our territory. We have to get our territory. Very jealously. So just want to make that clear. No blackmail will change us. No blackmail. I said what I said, it's not easy. I'm not the one who say what to do. I said that in the night. I don't do that.